Get rid of bruises on your neck and hickey quickly with these 3 methods. The first method. A full spoonful of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera has vitamin E and vitamin C and is great for the skin. Grate an onion. Separate the onion juice and mix with the aloe vera. Best part. Mix time. Ready to use, let's go. Gently rub your bruises with a cotton ball. Now wait for 15 minutes, then wash your neck with water. Let's go for the second method. Put a few pieces of ice in a cloth or plastic bag and put it on your bruises like me. You can do this for a maximum of 10 minutes every hour. You probably know that one of the best ways to treat neck bruising is to use an ice pack. The third method. Massage your neck with a comb or brush. This method helps a lot in treating neck bruises faster. This method causes blood flow. It is very useful, but if you feel a lot of pain, it is better not to use this method. By doing these 3 methods, bruising will be cured very soon. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. I suggest you watch this video. I will definitely read and respond to your comments. We are human with any race.